Hi everybody, my name is Charlotte Lafleur. I'm going to present you how to use the screencast. So first of all, I need to introduce myself. As I said, my name is Charlotte Lafleur. I'm currently studying in health science at the University College. And I've been studying the program for about 1 year and a half. So health science is a program where you do a lot of chemistry, physics. It's really it's about all about science, and in the future, I want to go in teaching. I want to be a teacher, a chemistry teacher, and also that I want to be a personal trainer. And I'm going to show you a tool that can be really helpful and help you with all the problems you might have while working. So the name of the tool is my virtual writing tutor. Here it comes. So you open Google. I already did it. You open a tab. You press my virtual writing tutor. Here it is. You press on it. Here you have what to click on. You press, and here you have what you need. So first of all, when you enter the site, there's the option. You have the option to share. If you want to post on Twitter, on Facebook, on your Google blog, or also Indeed, you can just press it. Or if you want to log in with those, it's really easy. How my virtual writing can be useful. Uh, if I want example, me, I want to be a teacher. I want to be a chemistry teacher, and if I want to work in English, and I don't know how to spell something or give a text, I just write the text right here. So, as I said, I'm writing text like the molecules. Alright, stable. Uh, when I finish, when I'm finished, I say I press on check grammar to find the error in this text. And here I have 4 words, 1 paragraph, but I have 2 errors. So my first error is I missed the capitalization of the word of the letter P, and there's with the comma, an apostrophe, excuse me, before the P. So I just going to correct it. Here it is. The molecule are stable, excuse me. So I check again. Oh yes, I'm checking just again. There you go. I have no more error. So yes, it can be really helpful if I want to, if I have, if I want to do a big text. It help me. Also, how my virtual writing tool can be useful is if I want to write hypernarrative text, it's really nice. I just click on it, and here is a hypernarrative text I did. Also have a glossary creator. There it is, useful word in health science. It's really nice and easy to use. Also have a charisma creator. Here it is. It's about being a physical therapist. It tell me how much word I have and how many word I have. So it's very nice. It's very clean and very easy to use.